Hello, good afternoon. My name is Mauricio Peters, and together with my colleague Rodrigo Sudel, we will talk about the Shapr 3D software, how it works, the features it has, and some example of design 3D. Okay, Shapr 3D is a 3D design application or software exclusively for iPad. It works together with the Apple Pencil and also has the option of being a free or paid software. It is very useful software and it is used by design companies, engineers, and architects to draw, since it is very easy to use. We knew about the software since when we started working on some projects drawing in 3D. We decided to look for another software options since we previously occupied Autodesk Inventor. But now occupying Shapr 3D is much easier for us to design in 3D, okay? Features of the Shapr 3D. One of the main characteristics of this software is how easy it is to use since it works only an iPad together with the drawing pencil. This helps to have much more precision when drawing, having access to all the tools much easier. Another tool that this software has are tutorial video and webinars, which help the users to learn all the functions it has and have a much more efficient design. It should also be noted that the software offers different format options to save the files, so as not to have problems if you want to send to another device. Now my colleague Rodrigo will talk about the design 3D and some qualities of the Shapr.
Good afternoon. As my partner Mauricio Peters says, I'm going to talk about some functions of this application. For example, in a plane, I can draw a line or an arc, or I can draw a spline. Let me show you, give you an example of what is a spline. For example, if I draw a line, where I can move this point and this point of that line, and I can move it over here, and this one I can move it over here, and my resulting line is going to look something like this. We can also draw rectangles or squares, circles, or an ellipse, or polygons of different sizes. Well, here I can show you on the right side of the picture, there is the logo of my father's new company. So what I was trying to do for him was making his logo a little bit nicer, that looks more pretty. And what I do was making his ugly logo. I was trying to make it in 3D. Believe me, if I will try to attempt to make that logo on the another software like Inventor, it will take me 5 hours maybe. But with this app, it took me like an hour, and the thing is already funny to design with this app. It's really funny. Well, one of the functions that make it pretty funny to use this design app is the AR function. What can this do? Well, what this can do is show me how my 3D designs are going to look on the real world. For example, if I design a chair, what I can do is to aim my iPad on the corner of my room, use the camera, and put it virtually on that position, and I'm going to look how it's going to look that chair in my room. For example, well, here what I'm showing you is on the left side is the logo that I made for my father's company, and I'm able to see how it's going to look. And on the right side is the logo that I already printed, and well, they are look pretty same. And well, here I'm going to show you how this AR thing work. Well, here you can see that big thing I design in 3D, and I can see how it's going to look in the real world. And that function is awesome. I mean, I can I can know how it's going to look. Anything that I'm going to design, awesome. One last thing that I would like to talk about this app is it's free to use, but it has some other functions, and for that other options, for example, put color on the designs. That is a premium factor, a premium thing. That premium thing is going to cost like $150 per year. It's expensive, but one awesome thing about this app is that it's free for the student. I got it premium for free just for being a student, and that's a good things about the developer of this application. And well, that is the presentation of our of our presentation of the Shapr 3D app. Good afternoon.